Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Plutus.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today we will be talking about Plutus. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys know, it's not financial advice, and peace.
So as you can see here, the market cap is actually tiny. It's $4 million, $4.6 million. Um, and as you see, the price is $5.41. So it's quite a high price for a low market cap. But with this kind of market cap and what the coin does, let me just give you a brief understanding of what this coin actually does. So what it does is it's a crypto bank. It's like, think of crypto.com, your average crypto banking app or Coinbase card. But obviously crypto.com is probably the most advanced one we have right now. And that is where you can supercharge your money, so you can get 30 days of supercharging it, and then another 30 days of where you actually so you're preparing to supercharge it for the first 30 days, and the second day you're actually getting the money for it. Whereas with this, you're getting a UK. So if you're in Europe, you'll be getting an IBAN, your usual bank. But if you're in the UK, you'll be getting a sort code and account number. If you're in the US, you'll be getting a routing and account number for your account, and then it will also have your crypto holdings within the same app. But with those crypto holdings, you'll be able to bank transfer yourself with these crypto holdings. You transfer it to fiat within the app, and you'll be able to bank transfer yourself with this coin, or you'll even be able to bank transfer in from your normal bank. So they've got a banking, they're gonna have a banking license very soon as well. But this is just a brief rundown of what the coin does. In further on in the video, we'll be dive into the coin. But yeah, let's just go over Coinmarketcap for now. So as you can see down here, it actually did have an all-time high at $55, but this was 5 years ago. But let's talk about its actual recent all-time high, the one we can really understand. As you can see up here, it was $18. And if we look at the market cap, where it was at $18, well, sorry, $20 even. Um, that was only a $17 million market cap. Now, that is actually tiny as well. So that is only what, a 5x, 4x. That's a 5x if we got in now and waited for that all-time high to hit. And with this type of market cap and what they do, especially once they have their banking license, this coin is going to shoot. In my opinion, not financial advice, of course, but I am holding this coin personally. But yeah, let's actually get straight into the video of what this coin actually does.
So as you guys can see, the token is Pluton, and the token website, it has it as Plutus. So there's two different things, but the same coin. As you can see here, you can receive a UK sort code and account number or European IBAN within minutes. So you can open an account, you can manage your finances, earn rewards, and unlock additional benefits.
And the rewards you'll be getting will actually be Pluton, which is the token name, and the actual banking app is just called Plutus.
As you can see here, you can open a free Plutus account, UK or European Union, and as you can see, in under 2 minutes, you can set up an account, and it is also not decentralized as it has KYC verification, but it's super quick. And there's no restrictions, you can transfer funds, make payments, and track your expenses very, very easily. You also get a 3% reward, and you can unlock additional perks and benefits as well. So you can also convert Pluton and Ethereum with the euro at the verified spot rate. You can sell your crypto, and you can also buy crypto with it too.
And also, I didn't mention that they actually have an app on the App Store that you can go ahead and purchase. And also, this is not actually available in the US yet, as it shows, as Hamza mentioned. But it is in the UK and Europe. So if you're in Europe, then definitely give this a try. It's definitely worth it. As you can see, you're getting, so it's 3% every purchase you make, every card payment you make. So you'll be getting Pluton in rewards. And with a price like this and a market cap like this, with that 3% cashback, and that's just from using a card, you also get additional perks for using Nike, Vodafone, Lenovo, Amazon, eBuyer, Alibaba, Logitech, Ajodo, and I use a lot of these sites quite a lot actually. And you're getting additional perks for using these sites with the card. So it's 3%, it's just the minimum for whatever you're using. If you go into your local grocery shop, you get 3% if you use your card. And that 3%, it's a lot, because think about in 5 years where this coin's going to be with this kind of market cap. It could easily be $100 million. So that would be a huge gain there. So if you kept the rewards you're getting, you held them, they'd be worth a lot more in the future. Each PLU I can see being $100 easily. That's only a 20x with this with this kind of market, that's not very big. And as you can see here, Plutus is currently available in the UK and Europe, but we are aiming to expand to Asia and Latin America next year. So right now, getting in, you are so early. They're not even in America yet, but think about when they are. Think about what will happen. So many people will be using this. Why use crypto.com when you can use Plutus? In my opinion, I'd be rather using Plutus. I also use crypto.com, and I'm also a holder of crypto.com, but personally, I think PLU is Plutus is seriously going to be one of the next big things. It's definitely a great coin to look into and research. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.